Hello, in front of me I've got SONY XPERIA 4th generation. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's enter Google app. Tap button in the top right corner and go to Settings. Enter Google Assistant. Go to Voice Match and enable Hey Google function. Now let's try it. Hey Google. Okay, now we know it's working. Let's go back and enter lock screen. Make sure that this function is enabled, and now you can simply lock the screen and say, Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?
There will be scattered showers, with a high of 22 and a low of 14.
And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.